Oh my word, a box is here. There's a box at the door, there's a box at the door. Is it mine or yours? I've never seen it before, but there's a box at the door. But what's in the box? What's in the box? Is it a pillow or a monkey or a bunch of socks? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, it's my banana phone. I knew I left it somewhere. Yes, hello. I would like to order more bananas, please. Oh boy. Thank you. Thanks for opening the box with me, giggle friends. I'll see you next time. And likely with a lot of bananas.